What are you doing now?
I'm wiping my face dry.
What are you doing now?
I'm washing grapes.
What are you doing now?
I'm chopping pepper.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking a shower.
What are you doing now?
I'm flipping barbecue meat.
What are you doing now?
I'm pouring red wine.
What are you doing now?
I'm eating noodles.
What are you doing now?
I'm bathing a dog.
What are you doing now?
I'm digging soil.
What are you doing now?
I'm doing yoga.
What are you doing now?
I'm dribbling a basketball.
What are you doing now?
I'm brushing my teeth.